Your phone is rewiring your brain right now. Every notification, every scroll, every glance is subtly changing neural patterns and habits. The cost? Not just lost minutes. It's your ability to think deeply, create meaning, and sustain focus that's being eroded. This isn't mere distraction. It's a widespread engineered hijacking of attention, happening to millions every day. Imagine trying to read, write, or solve a hard problem while someone taps your shoulder every 60 seconds. That's the new baseline for many of us, and it's quietly reshaping how we think. Here's what's actually happening inside your skull. A notification or an unpredictable like triggers a burst of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. That spike reinforces the behavior, and because notifications are intermittent and unpredictable, they create a classic reinforcement schedule that hooks you more strongly than predictable rewards. Your reward circuitry starts to anticipate the next ping, making brief checks feel irresistible and rewarding, even when they add nothing meaningful. Designers exploit this. Badges, variable rewards, and infinite scroll all amplify that loop. This isn't a failure of willpower. It's your brain's learning system getting hijacked by cues that were designed to exploit it. The result is craving, fragmented attention, and a growing tolerance that makes you chase ever smaller hits. The real damage runs deeper than dopamine. Your brain has two critical networks in constant tension. The executive control network, ECN, supports focused attention, planning, decision-making, and deep work, the tasks that produce complex results. The default mode network, DMN, handles mind-wandering, self-reflection, daydreaming, and creative incubation. Constant phone checking repeatedly pulls resources away from the ECN and either overstimulates or fragments the DMN. Tasks that used to take an hour now take 2, because each interruption forces rebuilding focus. Think of it as training your right arm with heavy weights while leaving the left to wither. The systems for deliberate thought atrophy while reactive, short-term seeking gets stronger. Over time, the balance shifts, and deep concentration becomes harder to summon. And here's the invisible killer: attention residue. When you switch from your phone back to work, part of your mind stays stuck on the last notification, the unfinished scroll, the mental tab still open. It's like smoke lingering in a room long after the fire is out. It reduces clarity and energy. The good news: your brain is plastic and repairable. Start with non-judgmental practical steps. Create digital boundaries. Schedule specific phone windows, use app timers, and turn off non-essential notifications. Practice single tasking blocks, 25 to 90 minutes of uninterrupted work, and build periods of deliberate boredom where you resist immediate stimulation so your DMN can actually rest and recharge. Trim feeds and curate cues in your environment to reduce automatic checking. Over weeks, your executive control network strengthens and attention residue shrinks. The choice isn't blame, it's reclaiming capacity. Set small, consistent habits today and watch your ability to focus, create, and think deeply return.